HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Alright guys, I'm working on Tahoe, but part of what we're doing next, got these KYX Cross Bars, and slap them on right quick, put a roof rack. So here's everything out of the pack, and it looks pretty dang simple. Just all the pieces here, everything kind of locks in place. They send you an Allen wrench, and then you've got some locks that go on here. So, and these are all keyed lock, and those are like covers for the end of the bars, and so we'll see how it looks. Pretty neat though. So they are super simple. This piece slides in first, and then you just pop that in behind it. That kind of keeps everything in place, but you can see 1, 2, 3 there. So that's pretty cool. When you remove the lock, gives you access to the Allen head so that you can move this piece back and forth and lock it down. That's pretty neat. All right guys, I got the bars up there, and I haven't locked anything down or put the locks or anything because I'm gonna put the roof rack on. I want everything to be nice and loose, then I'm gonna tighten it all up. All right, there's the rack up on top. Again, everything's still loose. I didn't have these mounted down. This all goes together pretty simply, so I didn't film it. Everything just kind of slides in each other, and then you just put these plates on and bolt it down. So, but it looks pretty good. The bad thing is this one has a dent in it right there. It couldn't be a dent in the back. It's gonna be a dent right in the front.